What's up, guys? This right here may be one of my favorite looking and sounding keyboards. Guys, this is the Leobog Hi75. And yeah, if the box is any indication, this is cool. Here, watch this. Woo, guys. Yes, yes. This is one of my favorite keyboards. This is the Leobog Hi75. It's a 75% 81 key keyboard. This is the white and purple edition, okay? It comes in multiple different colorways. Now, what's really nice about this, guys, I love the 75% form factor, but just take a listen. Maybe one of the creamiest keyboards you can get. Now, this is gasket mounted, and guys, listen to this. Super solid frame, okay? This thing is not going anywhere. Now, this is a wired keyboard, right? So you have a USB-C port right here. And one thing to note, there are no adjustable feet here, just these four pads that are actually really thick and rubbery. So this is not going to move on your desk. I'm telling you right now, this is a hefty, hefty keyboard. Now, two things to note here. Again, this is the white and purple colorway. It's actually got some blue in here. You have the little wheel right here, which sounds pretty satisfying. And guys, if you can't see it, there's a little spaceman on this little missing key right here. It's beautiful, right? It's just really, really nicely designed. Now, guys, let's talk about what's in the box. So you have the quick start guide. You have the user manual. You have a keycap puller and switch puller. You have additional switches. You have a super cool braided coiled USB-A to USB-C cable. Guys, that looks really, really nice. And lastly, guys, yes, there is a dust cover. Love that. Anyway, guys, let's go set this up and see what it looks like. Okay, guys, so I have the Leobog Hi75 set up. This 81 key, 75% keyboard is absolutely phenomenal. I don't know why I love it so much, but I just do. This is a really, really hefty keyboard, okay? So this keyboard is not sliding around your desk. Now, guys, remember, I picked up the white and the purple colorway, and guys, this has a ton of different backlight settings, and you select them all by hitting the function and the backspace key. Let's take a look at some of these here. Really nice and really, really bright. This makes a great addition to your gaming setup, guys. Absolutely love the RGBs here. Now, guys, let's do a really quick sound test. There you have it, guys. We looked at the backlight, we looked at the build quality, we listened to the sounds. Guys, this Leobog Hi75 is definitely one of my favorite keyboards, okay? It's got so much going for it. It's got super responsive typing. It sounds really good. It looks really good. You have this really clickable little scroll wheel right here. Guys, overall, the Leobog Hi75 81 key mechanical keyboard does not let me down, guys. This is an absolutely beautiful keyboard. It comes in a couple different colorways. I have most of them. This is the latest one. It's the white and the purple colorway. Looks really amazing, especially with these RGBs. Tino Reviews, it's an absolute 2 thumbs up for me. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll catch you guys on the next one.